Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is going ahead and changing my fog lights on the original fog light that came from the car. I don't know if you can pick up, as you can see, it's very yellow. I'll be changing that to some white xenon headlight, which will be much brighter and it will match to the light that's on the headlights. So it will be a DIY video. You can do this at your home. You don't need to take it to your mechanic or anything, so hopefully you'll find this very informative. Now before you start the installation, when you get your fog light, make sure you get the ones that are CAN bus free. So again, I'll repeat, make sure you get the fog light that are CAN bus free. What that means is simply when you get the headlight from the fog light from eBay, and you put it on, it won't throw any sort of like error code on your dash. That's the reason why I recommend you get CAN bus free fog lights, or any sort of like fog light that won't give you any error codes, or you don't have to code it out. Once you get your fog light, you will need a couple of tools to unscrew the fender at the back. But other than that, it's a very simple process. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the wheel of the car to the opposite side. So for example, if you are changing the light bulb on your right hand side, you turn the wheel to the left. So if you're changing on the left, you turn it to the right. And the reason behind that is so that you have access to all these bolts, which we need to unscrew. So make sure you go ahead. Okay, once you've done that, what you will have to do is unscrew this bolt here, and there is a bolt here, and then there is one more bolt which is right over here. So you need to take out these three. I'm not sure what size they are, but I think they are 20s. You'll take them out so we can pry this fender back and then have access to the fog light. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll get back to you. One here, and then one in the corner here. By the way, it was 8mm, not 20, what I was talking about earlier. What we're going to do is we're going to pry this back. Just simply pull it back. Oh, you need 2 hands for this. Okay, and then once you pulled it back, that's right there is your fog light. So what we're gonna do is hold one on each side and twist it either left or right, and it should come out. So this is the old fog light that's out. Again, just twist it left or right and wiggle a little bit, and it should come out. And what we're gonna do is simply unplug it. So you just pinch it from this side here and then on the other side, and this light should come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then come back to you. As you can see, this one is out. Now we're gonna get the new one and then just simply plug it in. So yeah, so here is the new one, and this is gonna straightway plug right into it like that. And then once I'm done, I'll get back to you. Okay, so once this light is done in here, we're just gonna simply pry it back and then put it back on that hole where the previous light was, and then just twist it right to secure it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so once the light is done, we just have to screw everything back on. So 1, 2, and the last one here 3. 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll all be good to go. And you just have to you have to repeat the same process on the other side as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the other side, and I'll get back to you. Okay, now if I give you a little demonstration, I'm going to unlock the car. You can clearly tell the difference between the yellow one, which is the old one, and that's the new one, which is much brighter, and much cleaner looking than the previous one, which is yellow and yuck. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Apologies for the wind. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more F36 content. In that case, I'll see you on another one. Cheers.